A South Florida woman's home shot up while she was sound asleep. The barrage of bullets making marks in her walls and even striking close to her head.
7 Sheldon Fox spoke to the woman about the close call.
It sailed through these walls like butter.
In came the lead, and it came in hot.
It was Sunday morning.
Right into the Tamarac bedroom of the sleeping Joy Filkoff and her chihuahua, Minnie.
I was in bed. Minnie was in her bed.
A single shot flew through the window, walls, closet, and kitchen.
Noises obviously woke me up. I had no idea what it was.
The unfamiliar racket wasn't enough to stop her from enjoying more Sunday morning sleep. So she
Grabbed her, got back into bed, so we're back in bed like this.
But before nodding back off, she thought to herself,
Now those are sounds I'd never heard before. And I thought, was that a gunshot? No, it wasn't. I just went back to sleep.
she'd awake to yet another surprise.
I walked through this hallway. I was stepping on glass.
Glass from a framed set of old family pictures, which now sport a bullet hole between Joy and her sister. She'd then see this bullet casing on her floor.
This is what stopped the bullet.
Then she went into ballistics mode. Not exactly easy like Sunday morning. Cops would soon be in her kitchen, investigating. The Broward Sheriff's Office says they got several shot-fired calls nearby before 6:30 that morning. They canvassed the area, but didn't see anything or arrest anyone. An hour and a half later, they got Filkoff's call. Joy's Sunday started out with a bang, literally, that bullet coming through her bedroom window, across the room into the wall above the bed where she was sleeping, through the wall of her closet, out through another closet wall, into the bathroom, out of the bathroom and into the hallway, across that hallway, into the kitchen, up against the refrigerator. It bounced off the wall and onto the ground.
I've known for a long time that I have a protective angel.
Sheldon Fox, Today in Florida.
Anyone with information on who may have pulled the trigger is asked to call police.